So greetings everyone. I'm Oliul Omid from Oliul Omid's Interior Hub. I'm not a native English person, but I am making English videos. I don't know how good I am, but anyway, I made some videos previously. Most of them are not from architectural part of view, my point of view. Most of them were Microsoft Words or something like that. But some videos I made of SketchUp or something like that. Anyway, the mainly I am going for architectural videos. I usually make videos of in Bangla because as I am a native Bengali, then I had to made in my language. But now I am moving for architectural videos worldwide. So I'm making this time I'm going for Rayon Design. I will cover Synapse.ai too and SketchUp definitely, especially the SketchUp online version. I don't know. I may go for FreeCAD and Rhino also. And there is a software I am developing, that is OliCAD. I'm not representing the link right now because this is in a very alpha phase. So later on I will at the end of the video I will show the interface a bit, and you submit your suggestion to me so I can develop it properly. Anyway, so we will go for sign in with Google. But anyway, as it is in incognito, I don't want to go over there. If you just submit your email and continue like that, and then the interface will come like this. So you can create a model or import a CAD file, import a PDF file. That is a very uh, uh, this that is a very helpful feature. You can convert any PDF CAD drawing to a Rayon CAD. Okay, there is a problem if there is a image, there will be a problem, but anyway, JPEGs are there to convert. If you are in a pro version, then you can convert it to like this, and mostly we create a new model. Okay, so I am giving a overall view of the Rayon. Uh, okay, so some says that Rayon are overtaking the place of AutoCAD. I totally agree with this. I think Rayon and Synapse, that can be the next big thing in architectural field. But today's day, we won't go for Synapse. That is a tutorial of Rayon. So mostly, I don't know. I want to cover as much as possible, but mostly every tool are not needed every time. So we will go for maximum tools we will need. Okay, so the most important tool is the line wall tool. We'll create walls with um, this wall tool and uh, draw it like this. Make it 10 feet. Enter. You may go for angle pressing the tab button, but won't go for right now. We won't go it for it right now. Then click it. Then type 10 feet again, if or 12 feet. Enter and click it, and then make it a angle. Okay, no, I don't want to create an angle. Then join them. Join them. Then these walls are like thickness this has a thickness of 3 inch or something like that. So want to create it like 5 feet, 5 inch. Okay, there is a problem between feet and inch. Usually in Synapse or AutoCAD, we will go for we are working in imperial units. We will go for when I type something like 5 enter, that will be an inch. But in Rayon, we have to type a double quote in the if I want to go to inches parameter. So by default we will get feet. Okay, so nextly we will go for door. We can go create doors or windows or sliding doors using this. This usually goes to library, and we'll have this door and select it, bring it here and push it here, and we can you can move over the mouse and click it when you like it, or if you clicked it accidentally, you can just flip it vertically, flip horizontally, or you don't have the my diameter measurement, so you press it like this. Okay, sorry. Okay, like this you can press it and make it bigger or smaller, or you can type I want it to be 3 cross 3. That is a very nice option. I want to have a door, sorry, window, but where if I press it, then the default door I used last time, that will come. That is the problem. So we have to press it. Okay, but we have to change it over here and go to libraries, and then we use the this window, select it, and it will come. But you may have, sometimes we may have the door remaining here, so no issue, you just delete it and enlarge it. You can change the width and height by typing here. And then okay, fine. I just want to change the color of the walls. So how can I do this? I just have to go to field and make a textile. We can go to gradient, we can go to hatches, we can go to texture, we can bring texture here. Okay, so anyway, that is the thing. Next thing, and we want to create an area in here. So click it here, click it here, click it here, and press and finish it. So we have the area. Want to create a tiles here. Okay, so we have the tiles, and don't want I want to change it. I think what kind of tiles could be? I want to use a wooden door, a wooden floor. Then I want to send it back in the back layer. So it is sent back to back layer, and we have the window here. This is not a architecture. Okay, mostly don't have the window beside the doors, and you want to alter and rotate it, and then this window will be a larger window. That is fine, and move it over there. And next I want to add a uh, add a bed. So how do I do it? Blocks, and find blocks, and ask it for if I go for pro, that I will buy. If I buy it, then I can go for pro, but there are free models. You can use it as you like, not that, but you can use it. So you get the dimension of the bed. This says it is width 6'4" and height. Okay, height is not the issue. I think the 6'4" is the issue. Okay, that is not accurately correct. We'll get the accurate correct data here. So I want to use I want to use the I keep the height to I make it 5 feet, and it is 7 feet. Am I making mistake? Oh, we should change it like 5 feet here and 7 feet over here. Okay, that is nice. I think it is, should be 6 feet. Okay, fine. So that is okay. So you can change it or lock it if you not need it to be locked. Okay. Then we can use a nightstand or anything else you need as you need. And now I want a rectangle here to make it a nightstand. Okay, with a lamp or something else. Okay, make it white. If. Okay, fine. For now, I'm making it, but I want to generate. I want to generate a lamp. So how I do that? I want to go to AI block generator and to say top view of a table lamp. This is a very easy task, but how you can create it. Okay, I will show how to create it manually too. Then usually in free version you may get two or three models generated by AI, but the thing is, once you generate it, then it will be on your library on the left side. So this is that is very permanent for you unless you lose the account or something else happen. Okay, so these are generating insert block. I insert the block. There is the block. I just put it over there and donate this one. Okay, I want to create a I told you that I want to make it manually, so I selected it, and we have a command prompt, command panel here, like AutoCAD or like Rhinos. If you use them, then you know that. I will type offset. Okay, there is offset command. You have the shortcut over there, but I want to. These are the mostly common thing. You just type it. You don't know what to do, but you just type it. I want this tool. Mostly you will get that. Like you want to boolean something, then you will get that. You want to make an array of this, you may get that. Okay, so that is the thing. So I made a table lamp that is not that good, but anyway, I want to use the line tool for the first time. So I made a line and make again another offset, something like that. Okay, but you can generate it or and do it like this as you like. So anyway, I want to write it down, press the right button and make it a block. What is that? This is something a block. I will call it a bed lamp. No, okay, a lamp. That is the thing. Bad or good, this is a lamp. So we can use it later on. So that is a very good thing. We can use it. Then rectangle tool for making a cabinet. We'll call it cabinet. We can use a leather text and say this is cabinet. This is nothing else. This is cabinet. Yeah. Use it. And what is the problem here? I don't know the dimensions. So okay, we can change it. Another thing I want to create. I want to segregate the lines. I want to segregate, make parts of them. Okay. So how do I do it? Firstly, there is a common button called explode. So I exploded it. Exploded it. Why? Because I have to get the line separately. Or you don't need to explode it. Control Z. The same command almost every software uses, and create a line over there. And I will divide this one. How do I divide? Div and entire account. I want to make it 3. 5 feet 7, right? So 5 feet 7 means I can make it 4 5. So 5 segments are there. So 1 2 each segments are, so it's these are not healthy because mostly we use 16-inch, and it should be 6 part. Okay, now not for now I am not interested with this, but I am making like this one and alt, and there is an option we can use, that is a array. We don't want to copy it and copy it and copy it. So how do I array a object? Select this object and type array, and then as far then the first point, click, and count will be 5. Then tab distance will be 3 feet, and there will be an angle, so I press enter and click. So we can move it. In AutoCAD we have to explode it and then move it. Okay, that is fine. I want to create a fan. So how do I do it? I do it with using polar array. That is also found in AutoCAD. Okay, Synapse don't have that much facilities, right? But anyway, Synapse is a very easy tasking tool. I next in the next tutorial I will discuss about Synapse later on. So I want to make it 1 feet. No, radius won't be 1 feet. It should be radius of 6 inches. Oh, sorry, 6 feet. That is the problem. I told you that it usually takes the feet. So if you want to change it to millimeter or something, so you can use these units. Okay, or you may go for inches system, but I won't recommend this. So next thing I want to create is uh, a sorry, rectangle. So make the fan, and I don't know what the dimensions are. Okay, that is fine. Okay, then make it polar. Polar. Po. These are polar array. Then select the rotation point on the on which the object will rotate. Distance or angle. So make the angle 120 is, so next step 120, enter. mm, or what is it, Revit? Don't usually use it. So let me try again, sorry for that. I have to try again. These are the list of the objects. Polar array is there, so have to pick the rotation point, then have to type it like one tab 120 degree 10 3. Oh, okay, sorry. I don't know why count didn't came before at the first time. Maybe any issue can be happen. Okay, so click here and make the angle appear 120, enter, and asking for distance, right? So make it. Why are they are asking for distance? Okay, anyway, make the count 3. Done. Okay. These are the thing what this is happening right now. Usually I don't work like that. Okay, usually I don't use polar array mostly. So but anyway, I want to make it a block and call it, where is it, This is a fan, not a big fan. This is a ceiling fan. uh, don't need to be fan of mine or your. Acha. Okay, so want to use another modifier here. That is fillet. Okay, I can select it and move it like that. And then I want to use the fillet and chamfer command here. That is a very needed object fillet. So make it like this: first segment, second segment. Make a radius of that, and again fillet. First segment, second segment. Make a radius of 1 inch. Shift enter. So can copy it, but anyway I don't want to do that. Control Z for now, as the block was set before. Okay, so done. We are done with the fan. I don't need it over there because uh, it is another in another layer, right? So anyway, fine. Now we go for what? Any other commands? Yes, there are commands like I want to use. I want to join these two. Okay, so we will use boolean, which is a command of 3D Studio Max, also found in other softwares. So booleans, and make it union, select and done. Sorry, boolean, yeah, boolean, select entities to unite and done. We boolean them, and if we want to subtract or just have to select the other options. There is boolean and just showing intersect. I want to intersect them. Enter boolean, sorry, honestly I use intersect option, not use don't use intersect option regularly, but anyway selecting them, pressing done, that is the thing I want to use. Maybe say a problem with the sequence. Usually we don't use this command regularly. That is the problem we have. So anyway, we can take pages here. We can comment if you are working with a team. I say your client may say, I don't like you and don't like your design and don't like your design. You may go, may go elsewhere to find a better client. That is the thing. Okay, anyway, or he may ask for that. Okay, change it. I don't want this window to be like this, or I don't want to be like that. I don't want to be. That's the thing. We can measure the distance here. What is the distance? Can find it over here and delete it. Okay, and that's right. So nextly, the dimensions. I want to show the dimensions. What are the dimensions here? Sorry, there is a command. You can continue the dimension, or you can stop it uh, by selecting this one. We will single dimension the objects. If you want to continue the dimensions, you just do it. One thing about AutoCAD and Rayon, You usually end the command by pressing escape key, but in AutoCAD, in Rayon, we have to press enter key to end the command. Nextly, I don't know, are in any other commands I want to. I think I use the explode command previously. Chamfer is very much similar to uh, um, fillet. Extend trim are very much not very much needed. Buckets, we just show buckets in from there. Group and group is not very much needed. Offset is shown. If I yes, I shown offset. Data text. I don't know this, something like this, and type it. If you are doing a manipulation, if you want to say I build a house of this is not 10 feet, this is not 9 feet, this house is 10 feet. Why are you saying that this is 9 feet? So, uh, if you want to manipulate like that, you can manipulate like that. So, just this like this, and this is a small drawing of a bedroom, simple bedroom. But if this is a big drawing, want to change the size of the text to something like this. The bigger the drawing is, the bigger you have to go for the dimensions. Mostly same story to this one too. What else we can show? Oh, we have the layers. We didn't say the layer about the layers. So go for layers and create it by clicking this. Name the layer wall and name the layer column, something like that. Do it like as you like, and you can lock the layer, you can rename the layer, you can duplicate the layer. these these are very handy if we are going for complex drawing. Okay, so another thing, last thing, that is want to print it. How do I do it? Control P. Usually we do this. That is stuff for every other software. But in Rayon, I don't know about the Pro version, but we cannot print anything from Rayon in the free version at least. So how do I print it? I draw it, but how do I print it? There is two ways to do this. Export. Import is also very important. We can import PDFs. Okay, but we are going for export firstly. We can export as PDF. We can export it, and then there is a problem. You can find the Leon logo all over your design. So how do I fix this? There is one another thing. If you use Illustrator or you are using a free software like Inkscape, you go for Inkscape and download it. And I have downloaded it, and I want to open in Inkscape and open. Should be in the desktop downloads, and here is the new model. Okay, open it and just use the selection tool to remove every uh, objects here, every every watermarks are over there. Okay, no issue with that. Okay, that is a good thing. Another thing is you can do it using AutoCAD or LibreCAD. LibreCAD is free. You may go for LibreCAD. How many software we are talking about? So anyway, if you go to usually printing houses have AutoCAD, we can export it to DWG or DXF. Usually we do that. The client will ask for DWG, and let me open it in AutoCAD. There is a problem you will find. Then the client will ask, what have you done? So let me show the problem first, and then you can create a or PDF from there, or client may create a PDF from there. So continue open. That is a problem that um that gives a color of something like that. That is not the biggest problem here. Just select it and change the layer from here, and if you need this to be like that, okay, change it or unblock, explode it, then you can. What is the problem here? Control P. Most of the cases, in previous cases, some I don't know. So if we go for DWG to PDF and we want to create a PDF from this, that is the problem here. This looks like a you know piece of garbage or something. What is this? I don't find anything uh, helpful here. So this is a very nice design, but what is this anyway? Another way we can solve it if we use AutoCAD, but another way to do it is to take a screenshot of this. So print scan button and select it. We have the drawing, then print it as JPG images. Enlarge as you like, then do the printing stuff. So print as you like, and uh, I want to show a idea of say this one is a PDF, right? So I will save it. Save. So want to open it. What is this busy? No, I don't want to add it to this HVG. I want to VGBGB, and okay. Save so cause the data loss. No issue. Lose it. Okay. No issue. I want to import a PDF file, and it is VGBGB, and import it, and you have the file here, and it is broken down into pieces. Pick insertion point, and we want to pick insertion point. Here we can find everything. Okay, so we broke down a PDF file in here. So that is very. They are asking for a how was the import. We in paid version we can import images and make them AutoCAD file or Rayon file. That is the thing. Rayon to Rayon. You just have to press the share button. Anyone with the link is a owner or something like this. Anyone may view the file. Just I will just have to click the public link and copy it and paste it over there. One thing I promised about the AutoCAD, the software I am developing. I want to show my interface right now. I created a I am using JavaScript and 3.js to develop it. Anyone interested about only Rayon is may leave now. So I am showing the AutoCAD, which is in a very bad condition, very bad shape. Okay. Uh, just created two versions of AutoCAD, which is one thing. We have the line tools, we have the rectangle tools, we have the ellipse tool, we have polygon tool, we have a pen tool which is not working properly. I want to be a Bezier curve tool like this. Offset tool is not working properly. We just can download a PNG or SVG or DXF file from here. Another version we have created is we have the selection tool, we have the direct selection tool, we have the line tool, we have double line tool, which is the similar to Synapse or Rayon or Wall tool, but we'll develop it later on. Now we have the rectangle tool, we have circle tool, ellipse tool, and if I press shift key, so it will take. Okay, let's start with this. Okay, have the polygon issue, and we can create a circular workspace and create a 3D. Okay. Another version was created. Mostly, I am experimenting on this. A version is submitted to website, but I don't want to expose it right now. As we some people make misguided go over there, want to create it and create anything and got frustrated. So I don't want to show the link right now, and that is the thing we have created. Okay, so till then, have a good day. Bye everyone.